Hi, I will shortly overview what is Vulkan if you're not familiar with how computers work. In a typical computer, you have the motherboard, even on laptops and phones. On the motherboard, you have the CPU, also known as the processor. You also have a graphical device or GPU. Sometimes the CPU and GPU are integrated inside one chip, but even then they're separate devices. So our computer is usually connected to a screen. This connection happens through the GPU, which purpose is to communicate with the screen. The CPU, on the other hand, is where our code gets executed. So these devices need some way of talking to each other if we want something on the screen. This is where Vulkan comes. Vulkan is a specification of how one should communicate to a graphical device. The device manufacturers like Nvidia and AMD then make sure their devices work with Vulkan. So the manufacturers create drivers that comply with Vulkan, and you write code that communicates with these drivers through Vulkan.